my channel. On today's video, we got another mukbang for y'all, another gas station mukbang. So, y'all, I got the stuff right here, another gas station mukbang. So, let's get into it, girl. So, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and let's get into this mukbang, y'all. So, yeah, she said she picked me some ranch in here. Whatever, we about to see. So, anyways, let's get in. Let's get it in, y'all. Let's take it out the bag. So, y'all know the little gas station bag right here. Y'all know I got my. So I got my mukbang, my Look at it, y'all. Look at it. Ooh, I got the. Hold on, y'all. Let's start turning it up. I got the wings. Ooh, and the fries. And they're a little soggy, but I think they do air fry. So let's take a thumbnail first. I'll take a thumbnail. Anyways, we in. Oh, y'all, it's hot too. It's hot. Y'all, they got this hot today, y'all. Oh. Well, she said this homemade ranch, y'all. So let's see if it's homemade or squeeze out the bottle. Oh, she's a little watery, whatever. Look, but let's try. Oh yes, that's homemade. That's homemade, y'all. Homemade. And dip it in a little ranch right now. Ow! Ow! I just wasted all my ranch. You know, this is the thing about eating in the car. You ain't got nowhere to sit and stuff, and you be wasting. Y'all, it's a napkin. I use the receipt. The receipt, look at them. I gotta pick me some napkins in here, y'all. I got some scrolls, but I ain't got no napkin. Let's just fit the whole plate. I just wait. I gotta go to the doctor. And I'm wasting ranch and stuff all over my clothes. Oh. That's not good. I try to get it in before I go to the doctor, y'all. I try to get it in before I go to the doctor. So y'all see, I tried KFC. I did Y'all, this is a little messy, y'all, so Y'all about me. Oh, she picked me a lot of French fries, boo. She picked me a lot of French fries. Look at that, y'all. Y'all, you can tell they air fried it. They air fried it, y'all. Look at that. Look at that ranch. That ranch is good. I might go get me some more of this. Y'all, if y'all want some good chicken wing, go to Elma Grocery. If y'all from Elma, y'all know. Y'all know what Elma Grocery at. The Indian people is Indian people own. So y'all can go up there. Y'all can eat. Y'all can do whatever. So yeah, I just did that. Yeah, the Indian people own it. It's Indian owned. They say black owned, but I reckon you say Indian owned too. Child, but, I know some of y'all ain't got this, but some of y'all ain't got this stuff. No, honey, let me tell you something. They know me real good. Maybe go up there and say, Vanessa sent me. She wouldn't know what you're talking about. But the man that worked there, the man that owned it, he don't know my real name, y'all. So he just called me friend. He just know about me by my face and friend. So I wish I had me some nachos in here. That would have been, yeah. That would have been better if she would have home some nachos. Y'all, the French fries come separate. I think. I don't know. I did get a medium of French fries, y'all, so that's probably why I cut it out. Look, y'all. I done ate that down. Look. I done ate that down, y'all. And look at that ranch. I about to eat the hell out of that. Oh, y'all, I'm sitting at a church. Oh, I can't be cussing. We're sitting at a church. Y'all can see the church behind me because of that bright white building, y'all. So you got the entry of the church is over there. The little gym part is right there, like right across there. That's why you see that white behind me. If I turn the camera this way and click the button, y'all see back there. I'm a little dark right now, but y'all can see it. That's the church. Oh, this is a big old Big Daddy right here. Look at them. I was like, this is for last. Dip on that ranch. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 So y'all, I'm working on the skincare line, y'all. So, so me and my team is working on the skincare line. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. We about skincare up, y'all. Mm-hmm. Y'all, I'm in a hurry. Don't mind me eating fast, y'all, because I'm in a hurry. I got to go to the doctor at 2 o'clock. And I got people looking at me. I got to go to the doctor. That's why I'm in a hurry. I know this ain't no long mukbang, but girl, I want to try out Popeyes again. If y'all ate Popeyes and Elmer, tell me about it, y'all. Tell me, is it good or is it not good? Comment down below. Or should I just go try it out? Just go, yeah. Go with a blind eye and just go. Mm-mm. Yo, it's hot. Shit. Ooh. Then y'all, I got the buffalo wings at that, so. Oh, I thought that was the church van about to pull in. I thought it was a church van about to pull in. I'm about to say, oh, I gotta go now. Oh, I gotta go. God, the french fries is good, man. Now these french fries good. Yeah, I need somebody to do a mukbang with. Yeah. I need somebody to sit right over there in the other seat and just eat, y'all. Eat and talk. Hell, y'all. If y'all watch me and y'all from Ammo, girl, we try to let's do a mukbang together. I'll pay for it. Because it's on my channel, so I got to pay for it. So. If it's on your channel, you got to pay for it. Yeah. But anyways, it's on my channel, so if y'all want to do a mukbang with me, I'll pay for it. I'm just putting it out there. Like, if you're a YouTuber and you do mukbangs and all that, well, y'all, if it's going up on your channel, you pay for it. If you on somebody else's channel, they pay for it. So if it's your channel, you pay. If it's their channel, they pay. That's how it works in this YouTube community. So whoever doing mukbang with me, I got to pay for it. So just putting that out there. So y'all, this is it for this video. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Follow my social media down below. Follow my Discord codes down below. And I got a sale going on right now. You get 20% off of all your orders just at checkout. Type in CB 25.8. So yeah, just type in CB 25.8 and you will get a 20% off of all y'all orders. So y'all, it'll be going on for a long time, y'all. So anyways, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, girl. Bye.